To perform engineering economic analysis, we need to understand the various types of cost classifications, the different types of cost. The first classification is the fixed cost, which do not change with any activity level. So the building, the physical building itself, the insurance, salaries, taxes, license fees, loan interest, this has nothing to do with the per unit production. Variable cost, on the other hand, this is related to the activity level. So the more you produce, more you're gonna have this cost. So basically, a lot of time, that's why it is represented as per unit labor and material cost. Incremental cost is simply, as it says, how much additional cost or revenue you're going to earn by adding one more thing. Let's say whether to take a new project or not. It is sometimes difficult to estimate because you are using the existing facilities. So the cost that is going to cost to take a new project is not fully calculated based on that particular. You are still using some of the existing resources that you have. Direct costs usually traceable to a product, service, and activity level. However, indirect costs, for example, tools wear, the tools that you use to fix the vehicle, it is difficult to know how much tool wear was caused by this particular vehicle fixing or something like that. That's why it's indirect. Standard cost is simply a kind of estimated cost. For an example, normally it's used for future cost estimation, measuring performance, bidding purposes, how much inventory you have, something like that. An example would be something like you're trying to buy a car and then you want to see if you buy this particular car, how much it's going to cost to repair and maintain for next 5 years. So that would be an example of a standard cost. Cash cost versus book cost. Cash cost has an actual money transaction. Book cost only applies to depreciation and income taxes, which we'll discuss in the later chapter. Sunk cost is simply is gone. The money is gone, and it has nothing to do with what future option or the future outcome you're going to choose, which car you're going to buy, regardless of, let's say you made a $40 down payment on a motorcycle. That has nothing to do with which motorcycle you buy. You know, you may change your mind and then go with another one. That $40 is gone. Opportunity cost is simply, there always in engineering economy or any economic analysis, you consider multiple different options. One example would be you're taking this class, you're learning this material, you're probably pursuing a college degree, you're not working right now, so you are missing those incomes. So that would be an opportunity cost because you thought the best option would be to pursue a college degree and take this class. Life cycle cost basically is starting all the way from the beginning to the end of his life, as it says.